What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to buy the perfect t-shirt with the perfect fit. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends, like voices clear, salute. Now, when we're talking about the t-shirt, we're talking about a menswear staple that's timeless, versatile, and simple. But the simple part is what makes it so difficult to make sure you have the right t-shirt. When you have something so simple, with no details and no fuss, it's very easy to get it wrong. There's no bells and whistles to distract if it doesn't fit correctly. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on not only how to pick the right t-shirt, but also to make sure that perfect t-shirt has the perfect fit. So without further ado, let's talk about how to get the best t-shirt with the best fit. Now first, let's talk about the two main types of t-shirts, your crew neck and your V-necks, and who fits best with each type. Starting with your classic crew neck. Now your crew neck to me is best for my slim or slightly built guys, and guys like myself with rounded shoulders. Also looks good for my fellas with long or narrow face shapes. Now when you're looking for a crew neck t-shirt, you don't want one with the neck too tight or too loose. You want it to fall a little bit above your shoulder line. I think that's a great fit. Now let's talk about that other alternative, your V-neck. Now the V-neck looks fantastic for my shorter guys. That V gives the illusion of more height. It also looks good for my fellas with square or rounded shaped faces and for my guys with well-defined chests. However, I must caution my bigger guys or guys like me that fight the battle of bulge and have a little bit of midsection issues. The V-neck points down to your belly, which is your problem area. So for my bigger guys and guys in weight transition, stay away from that V-neck. Now when shopping for that t-shirt, I also want you to pay attention to the type of fabric or fibers that's used to make the t-shirt. Now there's nothing wrong with your standard 100% cotton. That's cool. But I actually prefer you look for a t-shirt with more of a blend of technical material. These blends lend to t-shirts that tend to hold their shape longer, are wrinkle resistant, and don't stretch as much. The more innovative cotton blend t-shirt, I think they're gonna be longer lasting and they're gonna look better because of the wrinkle resistance, holding the shape, and not shrinking. Speaking of a t-shirt that's made of a great technical blend, holds its shape and doesn't shrink, brings us to today's video sponsor and the maker of my favorite t-shirt that I've ever had, hands down, Essentials t-shirts. I'm so high on the Essentials t-shirt, this is actually my third time partnering with them. I've never done that with any other sponsor. And why I love the t-shirt so much, I wore it over and over throughout the summer, washed it several times, didn't shrink on me, kept its shape. I could throw it on right out of the dryer with no wrinkle. On top of that, it's a super soft, comfortable t-shirt. And I've got to tell you, I got more compliments with this t-shirt on than any t-shirt I've ever worn. And although I work with Jose and the guys over at Essentials, I had to wear that same t-shirt throughout the summer and early fall because their product always sells out in 2 to 3 days. That's why I want to let you know about their upcoming launch this Saturday, November 24th at 10 a.m. You gotta get in early. Make sure you sign up for the email list. The link is in the description. This will give you the leg up on everybody else. But the great thing about the Essentials line, they no longer only just make the world's best t-shirt. They've got a whole line focusing on the basic essentials every man needs in their wardrobe to look attractive and sexy. I'm talking long sleeve tees, Henleys, underwear, no-show socks. But I'm especially excited about the long sleeve tees and the Henley. Their long sleeve tee is made from a high-quality Tencel cotton blend that is ultra lightweight and a fit that is so precise it will make any guy look muscular. And the new long sleeve Henley, this is one of the best Henleys ever. It's the shirt every woman loves. The Essentials Henley is made with a tri-blend fabric that no other company has. But I can't stress to you enough, the Essential line always sells out quickly. So you gotta sign up for that email list in the description to get the heads up on everybody else this Saturday, November 24th at 10 a.m. But I'll also have a little bonus for my Style OG family members. If you use the code StyleOG in your checkout, you get 3 free pair of the best no-show socks with any order over 30 bucks. So do yourself a favor, be ready for that launch this Saturday, November 24th at 10 a.m. You want to get in before everybody else does. It's going to sell out in 2 or 3 days minimum. Now that we talked about what you need to look for when buying the perfect t-shirt, let's talk about how to make sure you get the perfect fit. Now first we're going to start off where you should start with any shirt. and that's to make sure it fits perfectly in the shoulders. And the shoulder fit is quite simple. All you need to do is pay attention to the shoulder seam. You want it to fall exactly where the shoulder ends and your arm begins. Any higher than that, the t-shirt's too small. Any lower than that, the t-shirt's too big. Now let's talk about how your t-shirt should fit in your body. Now with the t-shirt, you want it to slightly hug your torso. Now notice I said slightly hug. I didn't say tight. A good rule of thumb to make sure you got the body correctly, do a pinch test. Pinch on the side of the t-shirt. If you can grab about an inch or inch and a half, t-shirt fits pretty good. If you can pinch less than that, it's too tight. Pinch more than that, it's too baggy. Now let's talk about how the t-shirt should fall on your arms. Easy rule of thumb here. Now the good t-shirt is gonna highlight your biceps, actually make them look a little bigger than they are. You want the sleeves to fall about 1/3 to midway down your bicep. Last but not least, let's talk about the length of that t-shirt. For the perfect fit on that t-shirt, you want it to fall about 2 to 3 inches below your waistband. Anything higher than that, when you raise your arms, you're gonna show your stomach. Anything longer than that, you're venturing into nightgown territory. Okay, so there you have it. You know exactly how your t-shirt should fit. And on top of that, you know how to go about buying the perfect t-shirt. Once again, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Essentials, and remind you about the drop this Saturday, November 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Get in there early because they're gonna sell out in a couple of days. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.